phatha ngalendlela
angikho happy indlela omama babemthutha ngayo abamthuthanga kahle. Kufanele ngabe ibona babekuseseza ungazweli kakhulu ukuthi hayi uyagula ngaphela namakhosikazi maningi kodwa nje bethi hayibo umunye wazi wathi lapha awugula uzusho uyabona aba u15
uyabona Sine
aba u15 ethi awugula unalutho. Umayeni indlela wayikhuluma ngayo mebeke kuma diary even noma beke endlini ngibuka lapho ukuthi ayi akakhulumi nje kahle nobaba ubaba zakhale caca ukuthi uyakhala even umakhumalo lapha kube kuyidina ontontoni amthatha ambhekisele akuzange kube right mina ngiphatha kahle yangiphatha.
Usne bad mouthing her mothers and her father, enabling that. One might argue that Usne has every right to voice whatever concerns she has to her father because he's the only parent she has. Omunye angati she should not voice any opinions when it comes to Omaba because akangeni nje lo ndaba. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi whatever she says Usne like she must just keep in mind ukuthi this is a reality TV. You understand? And by umndeni at the end of the day. And honestly speaking, yeah, my opinions against Usne will always come down to like responsibility or like validation. Not validation, credibility, which show we can't even take it to mind because why you're responsible. So we can look at mama beko responsible, but part of baba gabi. Yeah, and herself if you look kulises like king and you get what I mean. It's like you must just all keep in mind which this is reality TV and Bona, they're family. So they can't be bad mouthing each other like that. Guma diary sessions or even with conversations with one another. But oh well.